In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and let me show you how to clear browsing data. So first of all, just open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on the more icon, which is three dots one in the right upper corner, and click on history. And here you've got all the websites that you visit, but if you click on clear browsing data, you will be able to delete everything. So under basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, cache images and files, and then under advanced you have a few more, and these are saved passwords, out of info data, and also site settings. So just mark all the info that you would like to remove, and finally select time range. So here just click on time range and pick the preferred option, which can be last hour, last day, last 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. I will pick all time and then tap on clear data. And finally confirm it by tapping on clear. And that's it. As you can see, the whole browsing data has been removed and you can create everything from scratch. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.